Let's have a look on various national health programs. Since India became free, the government of India has been putting efforts to improve the health status of the people, and for that government of India has been putting mainly focus on improvement of sanitation, living conditions, nutritional status, and by control or eradication of diseases, both communicable as well as non communicable diseases. Then getting assistance from various international organizations such as WHO, UNICEF, World Bank, and government of India is also taking assistance from foreign agencies like Swedish International Development Corporation Agency, that is known as SIDA, then DANIDA, that is Danish International Development Agency, North American Aerospace Defense Command, and United States Agency for International Development, that is USAID, in the form of various technical and material assistance. As per the recommendations of Bohr Committee, the Government of India formulated and launched specific programs which is called National Health Programs, right from the inspection of 5-year plans for the controlling or eradicating health problems. The national health programs are of three kinds. First is 100% centrally sponsored program. The total implementation is done by the state governments only, but the fund is provided by the central. Second is 50-50%, that is 50-50% centrally sponsored program. The implementation is by the state government. However, 50% of the expenses are incurred by the central government and remaining 50% is incurred by the state government. Third one is vertical program. In this type, both the implementation and incurring of expenditure is by the central government only. It is very easier to get international funds for the centrally sponsored programs. The central government does not preclude the state government from running their own schemes. For example, some states have their own midday meal school programs in addition to the central one. Some of the national health programs have ceased, means some programs has been stopped, some got merged with each others, and some are recently introduced. Some programs has been renamed. For example, National Family Planning Program is renamed as National Family Welfare Program. Then National Goiter Control Program is renamed as National Iodine Deficiency Disorders Control Program. Likewise, now we will see the list of various national health programs which has been grouped into programs related to communicable diseases, programs related to non-communicable diseases, then programs related to nutrition and other health programs. We will see programs related to communicable diseases. In that, the first is National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. Under this program, 6 another programs are included. These are National Anti-Malaria Program, National Filaria Control Program, which was now renamed as National Revised Lymphatic Filariasis Control Program, National Kala Azar Control Program, National Japanese Encephalitis Control Program, then National Dengue Fever or Dengue Hemorrhagic Fever Control Program. These all programs are covered under the National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. Some other communicable disease related programs are National Leprosy Eradication Program, now known as Modified Leprosy Elimination Campaign, then National Guniworm Eradication Program, National Poliomyelitis Eradication Program, National or Universal Immunization Program. Others are revised National Tuberculosis and AIDS Control Program, that is known as RNTCP, National Acute Respiratory Infections Control Program, National Program on Prevention and Control of Viral Hepatitis, National Yaws Eradication Program. These all programs are related to communicable disease. Now, the programs related to non-communicable diseases which was launched by Government of India. Those are national programs for the control of blindness and visual impairment. Then national program for the control of cancer, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and stroke. Then National Mental Health Program, National Iodine Deficiency Disorder Control Program, National Program for Control and Treatment of Occupational Diseases, National Program for the Prevention and Control of Deafness, National Program on Prevention and Control of Fluorosis. Now, the government of India has launched some programs related to nutrition. Those are National Vitamin A Prophylaxis Program, National Nutritional Anemia Prophylaxis Program, National Special Nutrition Program, National Balwadi Nutrition Program, Midday Meal Program, ICDS, that is Integrated Child Development Services Scheme. Then some other programs rather than disease condition. Those are National Program for Healthcare of Elderly, National Tobacco Control Program, National Family Welfare Program, RCH, that is Reproductive and Child Health. Then All India Hospital Postpartum Program, National Water Supply and Sanitation Program, Minimum Needs Program, 20-point programs including 20 points, National Oral Health Program, and National Clean Air Program. These all the programs are running by Government of India and taking assistance from various national and international agencies to control the various disease conditions and to eradicate disease conditions.